Welcome to the AI chatbot arena, where you can test the various chatbots on the market currently and see which one is coming out on top. This website is a database for all language models currently on the market and provides a way for you to test all of them both individually and against each other to find the model best for your needs. To navigate to this website, simply type in Chatbot Arena and click the first link. The first tab you'll find is the Battle page, where the site randomly assigns two models to A and B. Then you input a prompt and judge the best one. You can continue the chat until you find a winner. The data from this is compiled to create a leaderboard of all the models. This can be found at the top of the page by clicking on Leaderboard. As you can see, it displays the best to worst models as ranked by the arena. If you want to find out which model is the best at a certain category, simply click the drop-down menu. Select a specific topic and the leaderboard will populate. If you'd like to choose a specific model to test yourself, you can test it directly by using direct chat mode. Or if you want to test two of your chosen models against each other, head to the Arena Side-by-Side tab. This tab works similar to the Arena mode, but you can choose which two models to use. So, next time you're wondering which AI model to use, check up on the constantly updated AI chatbot arena.